Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
A 71-degree air temperature. We have a dew point value coming in at 68. Northeast wind at about 9. We'll continue having that northeast wind for probably about 24 hours or so. Then we're going to watch it start to switch to a more southerly direction, eventually a southwesterly direction, and then eventually a northwesterly direction. And then that'll last, that kind of west wind will last for about 24, 36 hours until we get to a northeasterly direction and some drier, less humid air starts to filter in. And it is going to feel delightful for several days, almost a week, I think, of pretty much assured cooler temperatures and lower humidity. As I mentioned, 71 with a feels like temperature of exactly the same right now. A little bit of cloud cover out there. The cloud cover will be with us throughout the day and into the afternoon. We'll kind of be beating back the clouds. At times it'll be mostly cloudy. At other times it'll be partly sunny or partly cloudy. So we'll be looking for those holes that occur in the clouds and kind of move over our area. As we head into the next 24 hours, I think the cloud cover will thicken and the base is lower. And we'll start to see some showers work their way into the forecast tomorrow. Today, the cloud cover was really not going to produce a lot in the way of rainfall. You can see out in Gulf waters, which is the direction these showers would be coming to us from. It's not looking very impressive out there right now. Most of the showery activity is now out in the Atlantic. It has crossed the state. We had some showers overnight around midnight, but not a lot to speak of. Total amount's not that great. Back to Texas, they're still getting more rainfall. An area of low pressure developing in the western Gulf waters will advance in this direction and bring some of that moisture with it. It will also tap into Willa, which has now made it onshore. It'll continue to decay as it crosses the mountain regions, and basically this will just be a slug of moisture lifting northward. It will get kind of caught up in the circulation around this low pressure area and tap into Gulf waters as well as the low moves toward the east. All of that together will produce some, at times, pretty good rainfall for parts of the deep south as that whole system moves in this direction. Plus, it'll develop a frontal boundary that'll gradually drift in this direction as well by Thursday night into Friday and bring us some pretty good chances of rain. First, a warm front swings northward, and then a cold front comes our way that promises us a pretty good line of showers that could develop as we head into Friday day. We're looking at partly cloudy skies today, though, as I mentioned, partly cloudy, partly sunny, depending on where the holes in the clouds are at any particular time. More clouds around tomorrow, though, and I think we'll have less chance of seeing the sun poking through later in the afternoon tomorrow. And then rain showers on Friday. Best chance for showers, I think, are going to be in the mid-morning to late afternoon time frame. That's when that frontal boundary will be moving through here. Winds are going to pick up. It'll be a breezy day on Friday, and for boating, really not a very good day for boating at all. Friday and maybe even on Saturday. So watch those forecasts, boaters. The rains will end on Friday, and then we'll start to see some clearing begin to occur Friday night into Saturday morning. The showers that you can see will gradually be rolling around an area of low pressure, and that's mostly going to be to the north of us. That's where the heaviest of the energy will be, that center of low pressure. We'll be watching it for the track of that low just to make sure it's not a little bit further south, which would increase our chance of severe weather. But now it looks like mostly that risk is going to be north of us, and it's a small risk at that. The front moves through. We get our rain showers, and then our temperatures drop. That's front number one. We have another front back to the north of us that'll be moving through here on Monday with another small chance at rain, but that too will bring us some cooler weather. Northeast wind coming in at about 10 knots. We'll look for a daytime high of about 85 today. About the same thing tomorrow, but a chance of rainfall late in the day on Thursday into Friday. Friday day, best rain chance at about 50% of the week. Breezy conditions as well. Some may even call it windy. Some of the gusts up to about 30. Saturday, clearing, cooler, 80 a high. Sunday, 78. Oh, Sunday looks to be a beautiful day. And then as we head into Monday, maybe another little shot of cooler air knocks our temperatures back even a little bit cooler for Tuesday.